First on the gambling roster is the Camp Snoopy fishing group. Looks like Snoopy has caught his limit. Hey, Charlie Brown, what did you get? I got a lot. Just to show you, of all the Charlie Browns in the world, there's Charlie Queen of Jamboree! There's my sister Lucy, campaigning to be Queen of the Jamboree. I think she's very qualified to be Queen, because she is a royal pig. I heard that! Hey, look! It's the Beagle Scouts. They're busy trying to earn their Working Together merit badge. Looks like they're holding a big sack hunt. Unfortunately, there's only one contestant this year. I wonder who it could be. Beagle Scouts are quickly on the way to earn their Helping Someone in Need merit badge.
Hi! I don't need any help. I'm fine. Nothing to see here. Get me out of here, you flathead!
Looks like Beagle Scout Master Snoopy and his crew are working to earn the gardening badge. They're growing a crop of blizzardberries. Hey, maybe they can make them into jams and jellies and sell them at their very own roadside stand. And then they can build their own chicken dinner restaurant. Yeah, that would never work. After a long day of competing at contests, there's no better way to end the day than with the Jamboree Jam. So, tap your toes and wiggle your feet to the Jammy Jamboree beat. Celebrate a Jamboree victory and with some delicious s'mores. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts are earning their final badge of the day. The badge for sharing. Look, campers, we're back at Camp Snoopy Depot. Thanks for riding with us on the Beagle Express. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And now, here's our conductor with some extra information. So long!
Alrighty campers, the ride is slowly coming to an end. Please wait until you hear that long whistle before exiting off to your right. Please watch your step and watch your heads. Wait for that long whistle before you exit. Thank you.